In this video, I'll show you how to install the ink cartridges inside your Canon PIXMA 4720. So first you need to remove them for the packaging, then remove the small yellow or orange tape over there. Never touch with your finger the contacts and never touch the print head with your fingers. Do the same thing with the black ink cartridge. Make sure your printer is turned on, lower this first plastic door, then the gray panel over here, lower it, and finally open the last door. The ink cartridges that are inside the printer will be presented to you, just wait for them to stop in the middle. To remove the first one, which is the color cartridge, it always goes on the left. Push on this blue retainer until it goes down and then slide out the ink cartridge. Again, the color ink cartridge goes on the left side. To put back, make sure that the contacts are facing the printer and the print head is facing down. Now just slide it back in, push it, and then the last step is to put back this blue retainer, push it up. Do the same exact steps for the black cartridge, just push the blue retainer down, slide it out, slide in the new cartridge, push it with your thumb, it can help, and then put back the blue retainer to keep it in place. Now you just have to close all the plastic doors that were there, the first one, the gray, and the last one, and you're done. Thanks for watching. Please check the Amazon links in the description if you want to order more ink for your Canon printer. If not, leave a like, a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.